Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we delve deep into the official specifications, anticipated release date, and projected pricing of the iPadOS 19. Apple's iPad has long been a device that sits between the iPhone and the MacBook, offering portability with a touch interface. However, with the release of iPadOS 19, Apple is bridging the gap between mobile convenience and desktop power, delivering a transformative experience that redefines what an iPad can do. macOS-inspired multitasking and window management. One of the most significant upgrades in iPadOS 19 is the introduction of a macOS-like windowing system. Users can now open multiple apps in resizable, overlapping windows, allowing for a more flexible and efficient multitasking experience. This system supports drag to resize, adjust window sizes effortlessly. Snap to edge, quickly align windows to screen edges or corners, grid arrangements. Organize multiple windows in a structured layout. The Stage Manager 2.0 further enhances multitasking by enabling users to create custom workspaces with grouped apps, maintaining their layout even after a reboot. This feature is particularly beneficial for professionals who juggle multiple projects simultaneously. Professional-grade creative tools. iPadOS 19 brings Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro to the iPad, offering powerful tools for video and audio professionals. Apple Final Cut Pro features a touch-optimized interface, magnetic timeline, advanced color grading, and support for ProRes capture. It also introduces a new Pro camera mode with manual controls for focus, ISO, and shutter speed. Logic Pro offers a comprehensive suite for music creation, including multi-touch controls, customizable plug-in tiles, and a dynamic sound browser. It's designed to leverage the iPad's touch interface fully. These applications are available via subscription, with Final Cut Pro requiring an iPad with an M1 chip or later, and Logic Pro compatible with a 12 Bionic chip iPads or newer. Developer tools. Xcode on iPad for developers. iPadOS 19 introduces Xcode for iPad, enabling coding, testing, and previewing of SwiftUI apps directly on the device. This addition transforms the iPad into a viable platform for app development, especially when paired with the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil. Redesigned home screen and widgets. The home screen in iPadOS 19 has been overhauled to function as an interactive dashboard. Dynamic widgets. Widgets are now more powerful, allowing actions like RSVPing to events or controlling music playback directly. Live app icons display real-time information, such as unread messages or upcoming reminders. Customizable layouts. Users can create multiple home screen configurations tailored to different workflows, such as media editing or communication. Enhanced Siri and Universal Search. Siri in iPadOS 19 is smarter and more context-aware, offering suggestions based on user habits and routines. The Universal Search feature has been improved to provide faster and more accurate results, making it easier to find apps, files, and settings. External display and file management. iPadOS 19 enhances external display support, allowing users to connect their iPad to larger screens with extended display capabilities. File management has also been improved, with better support for external drives and a more robust Files app, bringing the iPad closer to a traditional desktop experience. Compatibility and availability. iPadOS 19 is compatible with a range of iPad models, including iPad Pro M1 and later iPad Air 5th generation and later. iPad 10th generation and late. The update is expected to be available in fall 2025, following a preview at Apple's WWDC in June. Conclusion. A desktop-class experience on iPad with iPadOS 19, Apple has significantly narrowed the gap between the iPad and the Mac, delivering a suite of features that empower users to perform professional tasks with ease. Whether you're a creative professional, developer, or power user, iPadOS 19 transforms the iPad into a versatile tool capable of handling complex workflows. Stay connected. Don't miss out on the latest updates and in-depth analyses. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things iPadOS 19 and the evolving world of virtual reality.